Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Xiaomi Mi True wireless earphones to Basic with any iPhone. So, first of all, we have to simply input both earbuds inside this charging case and then charge them at least for 1 hour. Next, we have to open this case, then click and hold right here on this touchpad on the right earbud only, and click and hold until this indicator starts blinking quickly, just like that. Right now we can release. It means that they are in the pairing mode, and on our iPhone we have to open the settings, then go to the Bluetooth settings and click on the switcher to activate Bluetooth, and finally make this wireless connection. So select your Mi True wireless earphones from the list, click on them once, and now just wait until it will be connected. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Hope you like it.